Hello students, this is the syllabus of 15 CS 81 or 17 CS 81 Internet of Things. There are 5 modules as usual. The first module is about the definitions of IoT. The subject is Internet of Things technology. So IoT technology. So in that first module is about definition of IoT, that is what is IoT, genesis of IoT, IoT and digitization, its impact, convergence of IT and IoT, then IoT challenges, IoT network architecture and design, then drivers behind a new network architecture, comparing IoT architectures, a simplified IoT architecture, core IoT functional stack, and IoT data management and compute stack. These are the topics we are going to discuss about, okay, in the module 1. So there are two textbooks for this. The first textbook I have already shared the PDF, okay. Second textbook is especially for the fifth module. Let us see that later. So the first one, the textbook soft copy I have shared some part, I mean. So IoT fundamentals, networking technologies, protocols and use case for the Internet of Things, first edition, Pearson Education by David Hens. Okay, this is what the first textbook, and second textbook is about Srinivas KG Internet of Things by Synergy Learning India. Okay, so let us see the first module topics. So introduction to IoT. Here we are going to study about what is IoT and IoT network architecture as well as its design. So the first question comes, what is IoT? So imagine a world where just about anything you can think of, it is online and communicating to other things, okay, and people in order to enable new services that enhance our life. So it is very simple thing. You must be familiar with these technologies, the IoT technologies. You must have heard about this also. So controlling devices using smart features like controlling the fan, controlling or home automation, you can say, right? Smart doors and all, using various sensors, monitoring the temperature, pressure, humidity, or say speed of the vehicle, right? So various essential services that can be monitored as well as that can be controlled over a smart device or smart features. That is what Internet of Things technology is. Okay, that is what the basics of IoT. So in this chapter, we are going to study some of the important parameters of IoT technology um, in depth or in detail. So genesis of IoT. So this is the section highlights the IoT's place in the evolution and development of the internet. Later we'll be studying about IoT and digitization, its impact, convergence of IT as well as OT, that is internet tech, information technology, in as well as operational technology, OT stands for. Then its challenges, IoT challenges. So these are the various parameters we are going to study in detail in this module. So genesis of IoT. The age of IoT is often said to have started between the years 2008-9. So the term IoT started or it was introduced in the year of 2008-9. So during this time, in this period, the number of devices connected to the internet eclipsed the world population. So with more things connected to the internet than people in the world, a new age was upon us and the Internet of Things was born. So Internet of Things. So apart from the computer, computers will, the internet can be connected to the computer or these days for the smartphones. But apart from those devices, say smartphone and computer, there are various other devices, dedicated devices, which also have the capability of accessing to the internet. Okay, they are called as smart devices. So various devices, that's why the term things is used, internet of things. Getting no? So various devices that are connected to internet. So internet of things it is called as. Okay, the person credited with the creation of the term internet of thing is Kevin Aston is the name of the person. Okay, so this is what the theory part, introductionary part, you please go through, right? And here is the diagram. So evolutionary phase of the internet. So it's a graphical representation, kind of bar chart. Business and societal impact versus intelligent connections. The representation. So it represents about the connectivity, networked economy, immersive experience, and internet of things. So in case of connectivity, where internet, we are the primary source, the primary device, that is computer, which will be having access to the internet. So digitized access, where we can use, we were using it for the emailing purpose, browsing purpose, as well as web search purpose. Next is the networked economy. So digitized business, for e-commerce sites are evolved, like Amazon, Flipkart, and all you are familiar with, right? Then digital supply chain management, as well as for the collaboration of organizations or work, whatever. Next is immersive experience. So digitized interactions like social media, okay, then mobility, cloud computing, as well as video streaming concepts are evolved. Finally, the internet of things, which digitizes the entire world. Okay, earlier it was digitized the access, then business, then interaction through social media and all, later on digitize the world because of the internet of thing, concept of internet of things. So which connects people, process, data, and things, right? Internet of things which connects people with a process, with the data, as well as with the things, not only with the computer or a smartphone or your mobile phone. Apart from them, the various other things are also capable of accessing to internet, sending the signal over internet or whatever, maybe sensors, actuators. Okay, here the evolutionary phase of the internet, you can see the definitions. Okay, connectivity, internet phase is connectivity, which is called as digitized access. This phase connected people to email, web services, and such, so that information is easily accessed. Just now the topic I told. The networked economy, this phase enabled e-commerce and supply chain enhancements, along with the collaborative engagement to drive increased efficiency in the business process. Then immersive experience with the interaction. So this phase extended the internet experience to encompass widespread video and social media while always being connected through mobility. Then Internet of Things, which digitize the world. So this phase is adding connectivity to objects and machines in the world around us to enable new services and experience. So it is connecting the unconnected. Okay, that is what internet of things is. So IoT digitization, in the next video, let us discuss about the IoT and digitization.